So hello friends, in this video we'll be testing how Kingone wireless charging pencil works with iPad Pro M2. Is it worth buying or not? I will tell you at the end. So let's try it by writing. So now we'll try by annotating something. So we can see here. Let's try this out. So it works quite well for normal. If you are a student, you are not an artist, then this pencil is quite okay for you. This pencil will be best, I think, best for you at this price range. But if you want it smoother and if there's no any problem with the money, then you can buy Apple Pencil. You must buy Apple Pencil because this is not that smooth one, and sometimes there is lag, so it feels irritating. So I will recommend, if you want a smooth performance or better performance, go with Apple Pencil. And if you want best at this price segment at 2500 or 3000, then this is the best option you can buy one. So